Hi guys, Fonzie here from GMM Motorsport. What we've got here is pretty standardised package that we run, but while it might be standardised, we call it custom because it makes incredible power. What we've got is a combination of the right parts. Ramjet 3, Ramjet headers, stealth cam, our absolutely awesome CNC heads with the right cam, and the heads are milled as well. So basically we get the right compression ratio that we want for that camshaft. Works with a standard stall converter, 6 litre. This is the package you want, guys. You've got a car and you want it to be reasonable on fuel, good on power, just a well put together, tidy car and package. This is what you want. This is the stealth cam in action. We'll hit the rolls, we'll show you what we'll do. It is an automatic standard stall. Been tuning these things for 25 years and it still excites me. 355 rear wheel kilowatts, well thought out package, guys. So if you want this, even if you're interstate, we can supply the parts to your favourite shop or your local shop. We can help them out with tuning. Get the right parts and go fast and enjoy your ride.